Okay, so once you have paired your hearing aids to your iPhone and downloaded your SoundLink app, you are ready to pair the hearing aids to the app. So you'll see I was scrolling over until I get to the Sonic Soundlink2 app. I'm going to click that, and you'll see right away it has started picking the hearing aids up. And so if it says, if it allows you to raise and lower your volume, then it is connected. I'm going to push the button that says hearing aid. You'll see it gives us the battery status, 100% for the left ear, 100% for the right ear, and we see these green check marks here on the right and left ones. I'm going to show you what it looks like if one's disconnected. I'm going to open up the battery door on the right one, and you'll see what happens. When it says right disconnected, you'll also see an X. So anytime you see an X, there's something going on with it. But to fix that, I'm just going to close the battery door again, and it should connect back up pretty quickly. Takes a few seconds. You'll see it's finding it, and now we go to hearing aids, and they're both connected and check marked. Once you have connected your hearing aids, you now will come, your home screen will have all of these different options. Remote control allows you to raise and lower your volume. Also, here at the top where it says P1 Universal, if you have more than one program, P stands for program, you'll have several little dots there, and you can switch between the programs that way. This button in the bottom left that looks like the arrows with the straight line, that will allow you to adjust your volume independently. And so it breaks it up. The ones on the right side of the screen is your right hearing aid settings, and the one on the left side are your left hearing aid settings. We're going to go back to home. Now if we go to hearing aid, this is going to tell us our battery status. It's giving us the green check marks that both are connected. This is also where you can find your hearing aids if you've lost them. So I'm going to click Find My Hearing Aids, and it will show you the last location where the hearing aids were turned on. So you can see we are located at 3rd and Gregg, which is right where the hearing aids are. And that is how you use the app.